Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to active free VPN on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search VPN. And select VPN and click on install. After click on install, click on open. Click on country. So select location. After select location, click on connect and go back to home screen. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on connected device and scroll down and click on network and internet. Click on VPN. Click on the settings icon and turn on this button. After turn on this button, so please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.